I play rugby and I play in front of a lot of people, so I wanted to change how I felt doing the sport I love. So that's what made me get a hair transplant. My name is Chantelle and I flew in from England. I'm 32 years old and yeah, I started losing my hairline about 4 to 5 years ago.
Doing the extraction implantation, and I'll be coming for the incision step of the surgery. And of course I'll be seeing you throughout the surgery. Okay, so you are 18 years old, right?
I wish. Yeah, like the temples behind. When you move my hair, you'll be able to see.
Okay, so the hairline is fine, it's mainly the density in these two corners, I guess.
Yeah. As it joins here as well, there's a bit of loss, but I don't know how much you can do, but they're the main points.
The main points are these two corners?
Yeah.
Okay.
As I say, I think hair to people, it means a lot, and it was making me insecure, and I was losing a lot of hair, and I thought, I'm not going to change my ways, and I'm going to end up stuck in the house, I'm going to be insecure, so I need to do something about it. I play rugby and I play in front of a lot of people, so I wanted to change how I felt doing the sport I loved. So that's what made me get a hair transplant. I chose Smile because I was looking over a few places and nothing stood out to me, but Smile did. The aftercare that you got, you know, from the pickups, from the quick replies, all the reassurance, yeah, it just stood out to me, so I chose Smile, yeah. And I can say nothing but great things about it. Yeah, the day of surgery was really good. I was really nervous and quite overwhelmed with the situation of losing my hair because I had quite a lot of afro. Really good for me. They looked after me, fed me well, everything was clean, everything was on point, really, really good. I would recommend Smile to everyone. I think just the care, the team, the actual surgery itself, to the drivers, to the people that cook your food, I think everyone's been a great asset, and the aftercare that you get from it and what they provide is amazing. Follow the true transformation.